Drea De Matteo, known for her unforgettable roles in The Sopranos and Sons of Anarchy, has stunned the entertainment world with her recent announcement. The Emmy-winning actress revealed her decision to join OnlyFans, a platform commonly associated with risque and exclusive content. Fans and industry insiders alike were caught off guard, sparking widespread discussions about her motivations. In Instagram posts that quickly went viral, De Matteo shared a bold image teasing her new venture. She captioned it with, "I've always done things my way, and this is no different." The announcement ignited a firestorm of reactions, with many praising her bravery, while others expressed shock and disbelief. Her decision marks a significant departure from her acting career, opening the door to a new, uncharted chapter. Within hours, social media platforms were flooded with comments and debates. Some fans celebrated her willingness to defy societal norms, while others questioned the implications for her legacy. The announcement also brought attention to the broader trend of celebrities embracing platforms like OnlyFans, sparking a larger conversation about empowerment and monetization in the digital age. De Matteo's move to OnlyFans has left many wondering, why now? In interviews, the actress has candidly discussed the challenges she faced in Hollywood, including financial instability and limited opportunities for women over 40. Her decision to join the platform appears to be a response to these struggles, offering her a chance to take control of her career and income. OnlyFans has become a popular platform for creators seeking direct connections with their audience, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. For De Matteo, it's a way to connect with her loyal fanbase while exploring new forms of expression. She's hinted that her content will range from personal insights to behind-the-scenes glimpses of her life, offering fans a deeper connection to the star. However, the decision has also raised questions about the pressures faced by actors in an industry notorious for its volatility. De Matteo's choice highlights the shifting dynamics of fame and increasing role of digital platforms in shaping careers. For many, her move is a testament to the power of adaptability and the importance of self-reinvention. The reaction to De Matteo's OnlyFans debut has been nothing short of explosive. Supporters have hailed her decision as empowering, applauding her for breaking barriers and challenging outdated stereotypes. Drea is showing us that it's never too late to take control of your narrative, one fan commented on Twitter. On the flip side, some fans have voiced disappointment, arguing that the move undermines her esteemed acting career. Criticism has ranged from mild disapproval to outright condemnation, with some accusing her of desperation and exploitation. The polarized responses underscore the societal tensions surrounding platforms like OnlyFans and the stigma they often carry. Adding to the uproar, several high-profile figures in the entertainment industry have weighed in. While some have expressed solidarity with De Matteo, others have questioned whether this signals a broader decline in Hollywood's support for seasoned actors. The mixed reactions illustrate the complex dynamics of fame, gender, and digital culture in today's world. De Matteo's decision to join OnlyFans has reignited conversations about the stigma surrounding the platform. Despite its growing popularity, OnlyFans remains controversial due to its association with adult content. However, many creators, including De Matteo, are challenging these perceptions by using the platform to share a diverse range of material. For De Matteo, the move is not just about financial gain, but also about reclaiming autonomy. In a candid interview, she stated, "I've faced judgment my entire career. This is just another chapter of me being unapologetically myself." Her words have resonated with fans and fellow actors alike, sparking discussions about the double standards faced by women in the entertainment industry. By joining OnlyFans, De Matteo is helping to redefine the platform's image. Her presence highlights the growing trend of celebrities using digital platforms to maintain relevance and connect with their audience on their terms. It's a bold step that underscores the changing landscape of fame in the 21st century. One of the most talked about aspects of De Matteo's OnlyFans debut is the potential financial windfall. With a loyal fan base and a high-profile name, she stands to earn substantial income from the platform. Reports suggest that top creators on OnlyFans can make millions annually, a prospect that's undoubtedly appealing in an industry fraught with uncertainty. Financial pressures are not uncommon among actors, even those with acclaimed careers. De Matteo's candid discussions about the economic realities of Hollywood have shed light on an often overlooked aspect of the entertainment world. Her move to OnlyFans is a pragmatic choice, offering her a way to secure financial stability while staying connected to her fans. Critics, however, argue that the financial benefits come at a cost. They question whether joining OnlyFans risks tarnishing her professional reputation. For De Matteo, the decision appears to be a calculated risk, one that prioritizes long-term sustainability over short-term judgment. De Matteo's OnlyFans announcement has sparked a broader conversation about the influence of celebrities on the platform. Over the past few years, several high-profile figures have joined OnlyFans, from musicians to reality stars. Their presence has helped normalize the platform, attracting a diverse audience and redefining its purpose. For De Matteo, this trend represents an opportunity to reach a wider audience and reshape her image. Her move aligns with a growing wave of celebrities embracing unconventional platforms to maintain relevance. It's a strategy that reflects the evolving nature of fame and the increasing importance of digital spaces in shaping public perception. However, celebrity involvement in platforms like OnlyFans also raises ethical questions. Critics argue that high-profile figures risk overshadowing smaller creators who rely on the platform for their livelihood. De Matteo's decision has reignited these debates, highlighting the complex dynamics of fame and accessibility in the digital age. The entertainment industry has been abuzz with reactions to De Matteo's OnlyFans debut. While some industry insiders have praised her boldness, others have expressed concern about the potential implications for her career. Hollywood, known for its rigid standards, often views such moves with skepticism. Supporters argue that De Matteo's decision reflects a broader shift in the industry, where traditional paths to success are being replaced by more diverse and unconventional options. They see her move as a testament to her resilience and adaptability, qualities that are increasingly valued in today's entertainment landscape. Critics, however, worry that joining OnlyFans may limit her opportunities in mainstream Hollywood. They fear that the stigma surrounding the platform could overshadow her accomplishments, making it harder for her to secure roles. For De Matteo, the decision appears to be a gamble, one that prioritizes authenticity over convention. At the heart of the debate surrounding De Matteo's OnlyFans debut is a larger question. Is this move empowering or exploitative? Supporters argue that it's an empowering choice, allowing her to take control of her narrative and financial future. They see it as a bold rejection of societal norms and an embrace of self-determination. Critics, however, worry that the decision reflects a broader trend of exploitation in the entertainment industry. They question whether actors are being forced into unconventional paths due to systemic failures, rather than genuine choice. For De Matteo, the move is likely a combination of both, a complex interplay of necessity and empowerment. This debate underscores the challenges faced by women in Hollywood, particularly those who are no longer in their prime. De Matteo's decision highlights the double standards and systemic issues that continue to plague the industry, sparking important conversations about equity and representation. De Matteo's OnlyFans announcement has far-reaching implications, both for her career and the entertainment industry as a whole. Her move has brought attention to the growing role of digital platforms in shaping careers, challenging traditional notions of fame and success. For fans, it's an opportunity to connect with De Matteo in a more personal and intimate way. For the industry, it's a reminder of the importance of adaptability and the need to embrace change. Her decision has also highlighted the financial pressures faced by actors, sparking conversations about the economic realities of Hollywood. Whether viewed as empowering or controversial, De Matteo's move to OnlyFans is a bold step that reflects the evolving landscape of fame. It's a decision that's likely to inspire both admiration and criticism, underscoring the complexities of navigating a career in the digital age. As the dust settles, fans and critics alike are left wondering, what's next for Drea De Matteo? Her OnlyFans debut marks a significant turning point in her career, one that's likely to shape her future in unexpected ways. For De Matteo, the move represents a chance to explore new opportunities and redefine her legacy. Looking ahead, it will be interesting to see how her presence on OnlyFans evolves. Will she use the platform to share more personal and creative content? Or will it serve as a stepping stone to other ventures? Whatever the case, De Matteo's decision is a reminder of the power of reinvention and the importance of staying true to oneself. For her fans, it's an opportunity to support a beloved actress as she navigates this new chapter. For the industry, it's a wake-up call to address the systemic issues that drive actors to seek unconventional paths. In the end, De Matteo's OnlyFans debut is more than just a headline. It's a story of resilience, adaptability, and the courage to embrace change.